Hi. Welcome to Class 3. Monetizing your writing skills. Writing is not just an art, it's a marketable skill that can be turned into a steady source of income. In this class, we will explore various ways to monetize your writing skills, from freelancing to creating passive income streams. This class will cover 1. How to become a freelance writer. 2. Platforms to find writing gigs. 3. Writing ebooks and guides as a passive income source. 4. Pricing strategies for content writing services. 5. Hands-on task, write and publish a blog post. How to become a freelance writer. Freelance writing is one of the most accessible ways to make money as a writer. You don't need a degree or years of experience, just strong writing skills, niche knowledge, and consistency. What is freelance writing? Freelance writing involves offering your writing services to clients, businesses, or publications on a contract or project basis. It allows you to work from anywhere, remote work. Set your own rates and hours. Choose projects that align with your interests. Be in niches in freelance writing. Finding a niche helps you stand out in a competitive market. Popular niches include SEO content writing, writing optimized content for websites and blogs. Copywriting, crafting persuasive sales copy for ads and landing pages. Technical writing, writing user manuals and guides. Ghostwriting, writing books, articles, or blogs for others. Grant and proposal writing, writing funding applications for organizations. Pro tip: pick a niche you enjoy and develop expertise in it to increase your earning potential. Platforms to find writing gigs. There are many platforms where freelance writers can find clients and projects. Some platforms cater to beginners, while others require experience. Freelance job marketplaces. These platforms connect freelancers with clients. Upwork, competitive but great for long-term clients. Fiverr. Ideal for selling writing services at different price points. People per hour, best for short-term and quick gigs. Be niche-specific writing platforms. Some platforms specialize in content writing. ProBlogger, a job board specifically for blog writers. Freelance writing jobs, FWJ, a marketplace for various writing projects. Contently, high-paying projects for experienced writers. C. Social media and personal branding. Many freelancers find writing jobs on social media by networking and showcasing their work. LinkedIn, optimizing your profile and posting about your expertise can attract clients. Twitter/X, engaging in industry discussions can help land gigs. Facebook groups, many groups post job opportunities for writers. Pro tip: create a portfolio website showcasing your writing samples and expertise. Clients often want to see examples before hiring you. Writing ebooks and guides as a passive income source. Freelancing provides active income, but ebooks and guides offer passive income, allowing you to make money while you sleep. Why write an ebook? No need for constant client work. Establishes authority in your niche. Can be sold repeatedly without extra effort. B. Choosing a profitable ebook topic. Solve a problem, identify common questions in your niche. Teach a skill, share knowledge that people will pay for. Compile a resource, create a step-by-step guide on a useful topic. Examples. How to start a freelance writing business in 30 days. SEO writing for beginners, a step-by-step guide. LinkedIn content writing for business growth. C. Where to sell your ebook. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, sell on Amazon for wide reach. Gumroad, great for independent creators. Payhip allows you to sell directly from your website. Your own website, keep 100% of the profits. Pro tip: repurpose your ebook content into blog posts, courses, or workshops for additional revenue. Pricing strategies for content writing services. Setting the right price for your writing services ensures you earn what you're worth. Common pricing models. Per word pricing, e.g., 5 cents to $1 per word, varies by experience. Per hour pricing, e.g., $25 to $100 per hour, for long-term projects. Project-based pricing, a fixed rate for the entire project. Retainer pricing, monthly payments for ongoing work. B. Factors that influence pricing. Experience, beginners charge less, experts charge more. Complexity, technical writing pays higher than blog writing. Urgency, rush jobs cost more. Client budget, some industries pay more, tech, finance, health. Example pricing. Blog post, 1,000 words, $100 to $500. Website copy, $300 to $2,000. White paper, $1,500 plus. Pro tip, never undersell your skills. Start with competitive pricing and increase as you gain experience. Hands-on task. Write and publish a blog post. Task: write a 1,000-word blog post on a topic related to your niche. Choose a topic relevant to your expertise. Use SEO-friendly formatting, headings, bullet points, keywords. Include a call to action, CTA, e.g., subscribe for more tips. Publish it on LinkedIn, Medium, or your blog. Goal: learn how to write engaging, professional blog content that can attract clients or generate passive income. Summary: freelance writing is a lucrative career when approached strategically. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and ProBlogger help find clients. Writing ebooks and guides can create passive income. Proper pricing ensures fair compensation for writing work. Publishing blog posts builds credibility and attracts clients. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.